25 sentences using the phrase aside from in various contexts.
Aside from the main course, the restaurant offers a variety of appetizers.
She enjoys painting, aside from her regular job as a teacher. She takes care of her family, aside from managing her own business.
Aside from the occasional headache, he is in perfect health.
He loves to read science fiction, aside from historical novels.
Aside from a few typos, your essay is well written.
She has many hobbies aside from her passion for gardening.
Aside from the broken window, the house is in good condition.
He excels in math, aside from being a talented musician.
Aside from her busy schedule, she always finds time to volunteer.
The meeting went smoothly, aside from a few technical glitches.
Aside from his grumpy exterior, he's actually very kind-hearted.
She travels frequently, aside from working full-time. Aside from the high cost, the product has received great reviews.
He enjoys hiking, aside from his interest in photography. Aside from the rain, the outdoor event was a success.
Aside from his sense of humor, he is also very intelligent.
The book was fascinating, aside from a slow beginning.
Aside from the minor delay, the project is on track.
He plays basketball, aside from being on the soccer team.
Aside from the spicy food, he liked everything at the dinner party.
She is an accomplished artist, aside from being a great cook.
Aside from a few scratches, the car was undamaged in the accident.
He speaks English fluently, aside from knowing a bit of French.
The movie was entertaining, aside from a predictable plot.